Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics in health right now, your gut. Did you know that your gut health impacts everything from digestion to your mood, energy levels, and even your immune system? That's right, your gut is like the control center of your body. And the good news, you can start fixing it in just 7 days. So let's get into the science of gut health and some simple hacks to transform your gut microbiome. Stay tuned. First, let's talk about the gut microbiome. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. When the balance is right, you feel amazing. But when it's off, you might experience bloating, fatigue, or even mood swings. The key is to feed the good bacteria and starve the bad ones. And how do we do that? 2 words, probiotics and prebiotics. A healthy gut microbiome boosts immunity, aids digestion, and even impacts your mood. Probiotics are live bacteria that add to the good guys in your gut. You can find them in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and tempeh. Try adding at least 1 probiotic-rich food to your diet every day for the next 7 days. Your gut will thank you. Now let's talk about prebiotics. These are the foods that feed the good bacteria in your gut. Think of them as fertilizer for your microbiome. Foods like bananas, garlic, onions, oats, asparagus, leeks, and apples are packed with prebiotics. Pair them with probiotics for a powerful gut-boosting combo. Here's a quick hack. Start your day with a gut-friendly smoothie. Blend together some spinach, a banana, a cup of kefir, and a handful of oats. It's delicious, easy, and packed with probiotics and prebiotics to kickstart your gut health journey. Also incorporate regular exercise and mindfulness practices like yoga and meditation to further support your gut health. Now, let's talk about what to avoid. Processed foods, sugar, and artificial sweeteners can wreak havoc on your gut. They feed the bad bacteria and throw off your microbiome balance. Fried foods and excessive dairy can also harm your gut. For the next 7 days, focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Your gut will start to heal almost immediately. Did you know that exercise can also improve your gut health? Even light activities like yoga or walking can help reduce stress and promote healthy digestion, so get moving. Your gut and your entire body will benefit. Another simple hack, stay hydrated. Water is essential for digestion and helps keep things moving smoothly. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Add a slice of lemon for an extra boost. It's great for your gut and your overall health. Exercise and hydration are key to a happy, healthy gut. Finally, don't forget about stress. Chronic stress can mess with your gut health. Try incorporating mindfulness practices like journaling, meditation, or deep breathing. Even just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. These techniques can significantly improve your gut health. Let's do a quick recap. Add probiotic-rich foods to your diet. Fuel your gut with prebiotics. Avoid processed foods and sugar. Stay hydrated. Move your body. Manage stress. Follow these tips for 7 days and you'll feel amazing. Your gut health is the foundation of your overall well-being, and small changes can make a huge impact. So, are you ready to transform your gut in just 7 days? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.